We're back. We are in it. We are in it to win it. AV drone defense stock. We went over this in a live segment last night. Me and Uncle Toro. Here we are today. Yes, sir. We are getting in the thick of it, my friends. Let's adjust this thing a little bit. Get a little better. Little camera here. All right. Yeah, honestly, that's kind of better. All right. So here we are. Entries. AV last night. We load in a starter position at 141.66. That was at market close. Interesting movements, potential, some things that are popping up. I was looking at it and I said, yeah, maybe. I also loaded into United Health. We'll see how that worked out. That was a short. Yeah, I got cooked on that. And USO, I was short because I've closed it out of annoyance. But this will probably retrace pretty good too. Just not, I just don't got the. I'm in big. I'm in big for AV. It's tracking well. I made some mistakes. I mistook a run for a short squeeze, and we had some sell-off. So my average is pushed up higher than I would want it to be. And we are currently sitting at break even, despite being up 4% from last night. So that was a kind of a user error on my part. Whether this comes out to anything today, we don't know. We hope so, but we don't know. Nobody knows. I don't know what the hell's going on. So we are just watching and waiting, gentlemen and ladies and they, thems, and all them freaky deekies out there. I still like this for sure. This is USO. This structure needs to break. We pushed above, got to reject it again. It's not a bad move. The problem is, I think the potential profits are just not. I was looking for something, a quick dip. I think it was yesterday, day before. Looking for something fast, didn't get it. I had to walk away from that one. So we'll see what happens. United Health doing what we knew there was going to be a 7% move. That is what the numbers told us, and that's what happened. It shot up 7%. We did not. We wanted it to shoot down 7%, but we didn't get that. So that's okay. We didn't have a crazy position size because earnings is earnings. You don't want to go too nuts on that. I'm going to keep that kind of cool because I don't know. Earnings is a gamble, like literally. United Health Q2 beats earnings. They actually crushed it in earnings. The problem is the revenue was negative. Wasn't good. But because they're cutting all these corners and screwing everybody over, yeah, earnings was great. That's not their fault. They didn't short sell it. I took the risks. Yes, I did. So we will see what we're gonna do. That's okay. I mean, you don't win them all as much as I really want to. Man, I hate being wrong more than I hate making money. You know what I mean? Or yeah. Because when you win that money on some crazy, stupid plays, it just doesn't pay out the same, man. On an emotional level, on a deep emotional level, I don't feel the same way. That's why I'm in this predicament I'm in. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. USO, moving on down. Yes, sir. let's check out the S&P. Let's see what's going on in the broad market here. Yeah, it's a little reflective of what we got going on the other side. Look at this. Look at this cesspool right here. This, man, you know, this looks pretty prime for a breakout. I'm not going to lie to you. It does. Only time will tell, because we don't know. Nobody knows. You don't know. I don't know. Uncle Toro don't know. We have educated guesses. Yes. Educated guesses. Yeah, buddy. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. All right, I will check back in later on the stream if we can get it popping off here. Pop that. Okay. Pop that. Pop it, pop it. You know, I don't like that 4 hour anymore. That run up this morning really screwed up. I guess it exposed the flaw in the structure is what it did. So not happy about it. But we're sitting in a consolidation here. We want to see this go. Will it? I don't know. There is that class action lawsuit that's on AVAV. That's like the biggest thing suppressing this right now. The market is generally priced. I mean, look, we're already priced it in. Look how far retraced we are. This company has pretty good fundamentals overall. There's some good things that are happening in this company. They've got crazy money in contracts. They've got a huge backlog. I think they got hundreds of millions, if not $1 billion in backlog. They have a huge go-to for the U.S. government. But the SCAR program that they came from Blue Halo merger that ended up being a little fraudy. All right, a little bit, a little unethical. Yeah. Well, that's where it's at. That's where it's at. We just want to see this thing run up into oblivion. Snaky. What a fucking. United Health is pulling back. think we run. I think we run. This looks like it wants to go. This looks like it wants to go. Yeah, buddy. Just don't know. Just don't know. God, dude, come on, man. Oh gosh. I kill myself when I do this stuff, man. I just look back on it and I go, man, what an idiot. Well, the market does its thing. It's going to shake us out. I got shaken out. I ain't going to lie to you. I did. I got shaken out of UNH, and look at it. Would you look at it? Yeah, well, it happens. It happens. But I'll tell you what's going to happen. So we're going to make it. We're going to make some money back on AVAV here is what we're going to do, ladies and gentlemen. This will turn the graces for us. We shall be redeemed. Yes. There is redemption. In drones. There is redemption here. This just pisses me off, man. Look at this. Every time I look at this crap, pisses me off. Look at that. I will be back on the stream. I'll keep the recording live, but we'll see what happens.